Welcome back to Olympic. Today I'm going to show you the correct way to roll your upper traps using a lacrosse ball. So follow along with me. Let's do it. Now when we roll our upper traps, there's a couple different setups that we want to consider. I'm going to show you both setups today. The first one is against a wall. And what you're trying to do here is you're going to place the ball right above what's called the spine of the scapula, right on top of the shoulder blade or right above it. You're going to place the ball right here and you're going to step away from the wall. You're going to lean into the wall just like so to tack the ball against the wall and also against that upper trap. And you're going to massage side to side, just like this, side to side, keeping your shoulder nice and relaxed. If you come across a spicy spot, you're going to close your eyes and you're going to breathe into that spot, just like this. Now, you may come across a ropey spot, and you may have the temptation to continuously go over that ropey spot. But I encourage you to not do that. Go up to that spot, breathe into that spot, but don't try to break it down through pressure and repetitions, because that is a battle you're not going to win. Again, go up to that ropey spot, close your eyes, and breathe into it, okay? So now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna move into a doorway, and I'm gonna show you the second version of rolling your upper traps. So here we go. Okay, now I'm going to show you the alternative version of how to roll your upper traps. And some people find this version more beneficial. Now, we did the right side against the wall. We'll do the left side with the doorway. Now with this one, you're essentially just placing the lacrosse ball right on top of the upper trap. And you're going to place the ball right in the doorway like so. And you just massage. From here, it's all about finding the appropriate pressure and breathing into it. You really don't need to move all that much. And just breathe into the ball and then exhale. Both versions are fantastic. It really comes down to personal preference and really where you feel you need the pressure the most. These are great ones. Have fun with them, and we'll see you in the next video.